Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a facial serum for your skincare line. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And yeah, I will be showing you guys the ingredients and all of the benefits here on the screen. So make sure that if you guys are making your own facial serum, that you guys do your own research and pick your own customized ingredients to fit what you guys are trying to create with your own facial serum. What problem are you solving, and then go and look for those ingredients. Okay, so I hope that you guys take this video for some inspiration and run with it. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get on with it. So this formula is super easy, guys. You are just going to add all of the ingredients together into one beaker here, and you're gonna just mix it up, and then you will just let it sit overnight for 24 hours, and then you will see the outcome. If you guys watch to the end, I will show you guys what it looks like once it is completely finished. I just want to jump in here and say thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that this video inspired you to go make your own facial serum. As you guys can see, it was super easy and you really don't need that many ingredients. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you guys go onto my Instagram and go to my last video, which is talking all about the giveaway that I'm doing for my mentorship. So make sure you guys head over to my Instagram and to the last video to find out the details regarding that. There will be 4 lucky people who I will be offering a free one-on-one mentorship to you guys to help you guys start and grow your own beauty brand, if that's hair care or beauty brand. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for all your support and for everything, and I will see you guys in another video. I have some new videos coming soon as I am doing some new things in my life, which is why I haven't been consistent here on YouTube, but there's so many things coming and products, and I'm just so excited to show you guys. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.